Surely many of you would like to learn how customize the ribbon of Office software, arrange them, move them, add a new window, add a new medicine, change the name of the previous medicine, transfer the capabilities of one medicine to another medicine. And if you like to learn these things, stay with me for all the software. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, greetings to all of you, dear lords. I am Amir Madiki Hani. As I said, I came to go together and personalize the ribbon. Well, this can be done in all Office software, and I will teach only one of these software. I will do this in PowerPoint so that the video is not too long, but the ribbon is the same in all of them. And here they are, no different. Well, we enter the desktop page, and from here the search section. First, I will tell you that there are many Office softwares, but the three main ones are Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. So let's do one of these softwares. The settings of Satash are all the same, and there is no difference. Even the settings of all the softwares are the same, and I only do the settings on one of these softwares, or finally two of these softwares. Well, the first software that is good for me is PowerPoint, which came, and I open it. Okay, PowerPoint is opened. See, this is the developer window of the programming window, which Sajad will soon teach you. So this video is related to the training, when you can get the training developer window to bring it. Well, to start, I have to start with each of these windows that I liked. Right-click once and click this option. Customize the ribbon. Look, now that this page has appeared, we don't deal with these at all. We only deal with this tape. Now you can see this window. I clicked on the insert method. It brings up the insert settings and they are moved. These are not now. From the home starts at the bottom. You can see that you can change their places. For example, I moved the insert now to the back of home. Now here are some features that you can insert in the window. For example, I can add a feature. I can change the place of the function. For example, if the table is here, I will bring it here. For example, I will bring it under the media. For example, let's bring it below media. Now let's take an example. Let's take this feature as an example and put it below. We have to open it. For example, developer. You don't have this medicine, you don't have any medicine, for example. If you don't have the record, check it and it will be activated. The developer is the same. If the tick is not on, this medicine is inactive and you can activate it by ticking it do. For example, let's open the medicine of painting and let's take this for example. Now I remember his name stay that. I need to reset the settings. Here we have a new tab. If you click on the new tab, a new medicine will open for you. It is here. New, now her name is New Tebe. To ask for any medicine feminine, change its name for this method and right click on this. It is not necessary to open any window. Change its name, right click on it or use the F2 function key. Click rename, you hit. Okay, you can change her name. For example, I want to change her name to Amir Feminine. Here, if I press enter or OK, a tab Amir made it. Now where? In front of the design and in front of the animations. Now you can change its places like I said, for example. Now this place is empty. You can come and put whatever you like in it. For example, this is the Acrobat tab for the Acrobat Pro software. We saw that we could do this now. We saw that we could do it one way and another. For example, let's make a text window. For example, for you to understand better, I want to let the view window do this. And here you can even change its name. For example, view 1. and everything else from. You can also add or subtract here. And when I click OK, all these changes will happen. The settings are applied. I click OK. You saw that the settings were applied. This turned into view 1. Another window was made here named Amir, which we brought the text part from the part that you can insert and made it here for her. From the insert, she came to the back of the house just as we told her, and there is no text window here anymore. I am in Amir's window. You saw that every change I made came through. Let's insert those features. No, every function we moved was applied. And now whatever else you want to do, I taught you everything. These works are the same in the software, Word, Excel, and all these Office software, and there are no restrictions. But this medicine was developed because we are going to have many trainings with this medicine because you can do many interesting things. And from this medicine, you can make better presentations for PowerPoint software. Okay. You saw that we were able to do this with 2 simple clicks. We can enter the page where we can apply the changes. We saw that we were able to make very interesting changes. If you learned something new from this video, please subscribe to the channel and please don't deprive the snake of your good comments, God forbid.